Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add collaboration on Instagram posts after posting. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Are you wondering whether you can add a collaborator on Instagram after posting? The answer is yes. You can add up to 5 collaborators on Instagram before as well as after posting on Instagram posts or reels. So, in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can go to your profile. You can choose on the post that you want to add the collaboration. This one, for example, as you can see, there is no collaboration or any tag on this post, and we'll add collaborator. We'll invite collaborator. You can just tap on the three dots over here. You can choose on edit, and you'll find on the top of your post there is an option add collaborators. You can just tap on that. So here you can tap on invite collaborators. You can choose on the account that you want to invite as the collaborator. Now you can click on tap on checklist in the upper right corner here. And checklist, and that's it. Now we can wait until this account accept the invitation that we send to them, and the result will be turns out like this after they accept that invitation to be the collaborator with this post. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add collaboration on Instagram posts after posting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.